As any other Latvian holiday, Jāņi cannot be imagined without food and drinks. This, of course, is not Christmas, so therefore the proportions are different. More drinks, less food. Let's put together an essential Jāņi shopping list for you, so that you don't turn up to the celebrations with cake and wine. These are the 5 items that should always be present in Jāņi celebrations. Beer. More beer. More beer. More beer. Beer is a traditional drink of Jāņi celebrations. It helps you stay hydrated all night long and also helps to keep the level of fun up. When you drink a lot of beer, you will have to urinate a lot. So when you do so, please be aware that not to do it on somebody that is sleeping or having sex in the bushes. Special Jāņi cheese. Jāņi cheese is a special kind of cheese that is made only for the celebrations of Jāņi, and it will redefine everything you know about cheese. Pair it with dry wine and you will know what Sahara Desert is going to feel like in your mouth. Otherwise, wash it down with lots of beer and you should be fine. Strong alcohol. I didn't bring any because just say stop. Don't be greedy. Remember, you have to be alive in order to see the sunrise in the morning. Shashlik meat. You have to eat something during the night. Remember, we have talked about this. The perfect version comes charcoal on the outside and raw on the inside. Well, maybe it's not the most perfect version, but this is what you are going to get from a drunk guy grilling the meat somewhere in the darkness. Sausages. Sausages are a perfect alternative for those who are too drunk to cook shashliks. They are basically foolproof. You can't really mess them up. Yes, probably you will not impress your partner with your cooking skills, but at least you will not be hungry. Watermelon. And of course the secret weapon, rye bread, garlic bread with garlic and bread. A lot of salt, a lot of bread makes you want to drink beer. When you drink beer, you want something salty, so you eat these. And these will make you drink more beer. And when you drink more beer, well, you get it. Watermelon. Perfect for hydration. Definitely get a big one so you can leave half of it on the table and complain about wasps flying around all night. This will also make you urinate a lot, but it is really good because you will practice opening and closing your pants a lot. And that will come in handy when you are going to look for a fernflower. That is what we are going to talk about next.